Hi, I'm Ben. I'm here to learn English.
And I'm Emma. I'm here to help.
Let's learn together.
Let's learn together. Ben, today we're talking about feelings. Why do you think feelings are important?
Because feelings show how we are inside. If you can talk about them, people can understand you better.
Yes. In English, we often talk about how we feel with friends, family, or even at work. It helps us connect.
Exactly. Vocabulary. Connect means to build a relationship or feel close to someone.
Basic feelings vocabulary. Let's start with simple feelings words. Repeat after us. Happy, sad, angry, tired, excited, scared, calm.
Nice. And we can use these in sentences. I'm happy today. I'm tired after school. She's angry because the bus is late.
Listeners, repeat after us. I'm happy. I'm tired. I'm angry. Good. Ben, when do you feel happy?
I feel happy when I spend time with my family. I also feel happy when the sun is shining.
Me too. Sunshine makes me feel good. I feel happy when I listen to music.
So instead of always saying happy, we can also use other words.
Yes, like glad, joyful, or cheerful.
Example, I'm glad you were here.
Or, she's cheerful in the morning.
Now, what about feeling sad?
I feel sad when I say goodbye to my friends.
I feel sad when I watch a sad movie.
Other words for sad are upset, unhappy, or down.
Yes, he's a bit down today means he's sad.
Do you ever get angry?
Yes, I get angry when people are rude.
Same here. I also get angry when I lose my keys.
Instead of angry, we can also say mad, upset, or frustrated.
Example. She was frustrated with her homework.
Let's talk about fear. What makes you scared?
I'm scared of spiders.
Me too. And I'm scared of the dark sometimes.
Other words for scared are afraid, nervous, or worried.
Example, he's nervous before a test.
Or, she's worried about her job.
Sometimes we don't feel angry or sad, just tired.
Yes, I feel tired after a long day.
Other words are sleepy, exhausted, or stressed.
Exhausted means very tired. Example, I was exhausted after running.
And stressed means you have too many problems or too much work.
Let's move to positive feelings again. What makes you excited?
I feel excited before a holiday.
I feel excited when I try new food.
Instead of excited, you can say thrilled or delighted.
Example, she was thrilled to win the prize. Let's do a short example conversation.
Okay,
Hi, Ben. How are you feeling today?
I'm a little tired, but I'm happy because it's Friday.
Great. I'm excited too because I'm going to see my friend tonight.
See? Just 2 sentences, and we already know each other better.
How can we ask about someone's feelings?
We can ask, how are you? Or how do you feel?
We can also say, are you okay? Or is everything all right?
Yes, these are polite and friendly.
Sometimes we want to show a stronger feeling.
Yes, instead of very happy, we can say, I'm over the moon.
That's a fun phrase. Or instead of very scared, say, I'm terrified.
Instead of very tired, you can say, I'm exhausted.
These expressions make you sound more natural. How do you talk about feelings at work or school?
Sometimes you must be polite. For example, instead of I'm angry, you can say,
I'm not very happy with this situation.
Yes, or I'm a bit worried about the project.
That way, you express your feelings without sounding rude.
In English-speaking countries, people often say, I'm fine, even if they don't feel fine.
Yes, how are you is sometimes just a greeting, not a real question.
But with close friends, you can share honestly. I feel sad today.
Today, we learned many feelings words: happy, glad, cheerful, sad, down, angry, frustrated, scared, nervous, tired, exhausted, stressed.
We also practiced phrases like, I feel, I'm a bit, I'm very, and I'm over the moon.
If you liked this episode, please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next one.
And give this video a like. It really helps us make more lessons for you.
Thank you for listening, everyone.
Take care, keep practicing English, and
Goodbye.